Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. It is Ultimate Planner Sale weekend. I am so excited. I'm gonna zoom you guys out just a little bit. I've got two new collections for you guys. I've got freebies here, and yeah, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. We are offering 30% off throughout the weekend, and then we also have some really great freebies as well. The code will be announced at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. We have got sampler packs for... Sorry guys, anyways, so we have got sampler packs for the first 20 orders, I wanna say. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my, my graphic up because we're doing it a bit differently this round than we had before. We're not doing a ton of the sampler packs like we were. Instead, I've got 2-page mini kits that we're gonna do. So here is the graphic just really quickly. So for the first 30 orders over $20, you will receive one of the 3 2-page mini kits. For the first 20 orders, you will receive a sampler pack. You can get both. But the sampler packs only have 3 freebies in them, so they're not the big ones like we used to have, but 2-page kits. So I'll get into that in just a minute. If you want to preload your cart, those do go very quickly. So the sale is 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The code will be announced then. And yeah, this will all be up if you're watching this video. Everything that's going to be in the shop is in the shop. So the first collection that I've got here is called Paris. You guys. This week I wanted to do both of the kits kind of more like, I don't want to say, I'm trying to think of the words that I want to use. I don't want to say more creative than the ones that I did last week, but the ones that I did last week were using pretty popular clip art from some of the more popular clip art shops. And this week I wanted to kind of mix some stuff together, do something that was just a little bit more unique. I like the kits from last week. Don't get me wrong. I love using the clip art that's popular as well because I like being able to kind of put my own take on it. But this week I wanted to really play around with stuff, mix some different things together, and that's what I have done with both of these kits. So we also have something new here. So this is going to be a new add-on option in the shop for the newer kits moving forward. So this is a deco sheet. And then down at the bottom, I did just add in 3 additional boxes that are kind of more of a fun like layering shape. You guys can let me know if there's something different you would like to see on these. And then I'm just gonna kind of pull, these are really, really intricate. So to be a little bit careful. So we've got your deco, come on guy, there we go. And as you can see, it is just kind of all cut out like that. I wanted to add these into the kits to fit my particular planning style, but I also know a lot of other people plan that way as well. So for layering, I thought these would be really nice. The add-on for this is only going to be $1. So if you want to pick that up, that will be an option. I also think I'm gonna, I don't know. I think I may list these by themselves in the shop as well. I'm not totally sure. Anyway, so we've got that for both of the new collections, and then moving forward, if you guys like these, I'll keep doing it. If not, it's probably just something I'll keep doing for myself, I should say. But I think a lot of people will like to have the deco add-on. So moving on, the full boxes in this kit, you guys, I'm obsessed. So we have got florals, this adorable outfit, the Arc de Triomphe, and then the Eiffel Tower. You've got a scooter, some perfume, this cute little patio, just a little building here, and then some more florals. So I actually went to France when I was, I think, 18. Mom and Mike have been quite a few times. So when I saw this clip art, I knew that Mom was going to be obsessed, and she is. She asked what her employee discount was on a kit. She gets free kits, by the way. It was a joke, but yeah, so that is your full box sheet. And then for your bottom washi sheet, I wanted to show you guys, we've got florals, but we also have just kind of like the city, not the skyline. I don't want to, well, maybe it is kind of like the skyline, but you've got the cathedral, the bridge, you've just got a bunch of stuff. So I thought that was super pretty. You've also got your date covers here. You've got your, headers, you've got 2 daily trackers, and then you've also got your bow washi. So that is the 4th and the 1st sheet. I'm so excited to use this. I may use this week. I haven't decided yet. And then your second sheet here, you've got some labels up top. You've got a bunch, oh, I've got something on my hands that I have smudged on this. I'm sorry, you guys. You've got some boxes here, and then you've got 3 of the larger kind of like half boxes. The rest of these are more of a quarter box size. Down at the bottom, you have got some bow checklist, appointment labels, and then a couple of more fun boxes. And then you've got some functional deco down at the very bottom. I must have ink on my hands. I may have done that while I was still at mom's. Okay, moving on to the third sheet, you've got 3 more rows of headers. I think I'm gonna switch up the pattern on our headers here soon. I want something a little bit different. And then you have got a tracker here. This does have bows instead of like Monday through Sunday, but it does have 7 of those. You've got a 3 bow checklist, 2 of the 2 bow checklist, and then 3 more boxes here, as well as your washi down at the bottom. And then we also do have these kits. I never remember to grab them, but we have them available with ombre heart checklist. There's that option. There's the option to add on icons, and there's the option to add on scripts. Now there will be the option to add on deco, and then there's the option to add on scripts plus icons, which is where I'm wondering how I'm gonna do this for people that want all those. Because that's a lot of options. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But anyway, that is the first collection. And now moving on to the second collection. This one, I don't know, I love them both, but this one really just speaks to me because it is coffee. Coffee and florals, and I am just in love with the color palette of this one. So you have got your deco sheet here. This one's a little bit different. Instead of having a bunch of these are kind of like grouped together. We've got some kind of individuals, super pretty. I love how this turned out. So there's that. And then for your full boxes, you guys look at these. So I did a little bit of the confetti foil over the florals in this kit because it didn't have quite as much foil going on. And then you've got some coffee beans down here with this croissant and this iced coffee. You have slippers, a bag of coffee beans, and some more coffee beans kind of sitting to the side. Your quote box says, "But first coffee." You've got this adorable mug, and then you've got this coffee press up top, and then this sweater. I just love everything about this, including the colors. And then you wait for the bottom washi, just wait for it. This is your bottom washi. Oh, I love it so much. I had originally done florals, and then I was like, I have to do coffee beans. Like that, it has to be coffee beans. So that is the first and the fourth pages. Also, my lighting is, I feel like, just too bright right now. But I'm sorry about that. Again, I'm filming at night. It's currently 9 p.m. But we got a lot of orders out this week, and that's one reason I was at mom's so late tonight. We actually got through all of the $2 Tuesday from last week, so we will begin shipping last Friday's releases tomorrow. And then we will also be shipping the foiled bundle subscriptions. They're supposed to ship on the 15th. I may go ahead and send them out earlier than that. I haven't decided yet, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. So for your second sheet here, you've got your boxes, your checklist, you've got your frames, and then appointment labels, functional deco down at the bottom, and then you have got your headers, trackers, you've got your boxes, and then your cut washi. So that is the coffee kit. Oh, I love it so much. And then here is the deco that you can have added on. I can't decide if I want to use this one this week or this one. You guys let me know in the comments down below, which one should I film a plan with me in this week? So those are the 2 new collections for UPS. I was gonna release a third, but decided to go ahead and hold back since we do have so many functional items in the shop right now. So moving on. Let me show you our freebies first. Oh, and we also have one other release as well. Okay, so this is technically also a freebie, but I was asked in the Facebook group if I would bring this to the shop as well as something that could be purchased. So I am going to do that too. I think it is a really fun like sampler sheet as well. So this is on premium matte paper. The foil colors as far as for the freebies will just be varied. It's gonna be random, but it is just a nice mix of frames, boxes, dividers. There's some deco, some headers, some bow checklist, and then some flourishes. So this is going to be for all orders $50 and up. That is after the coupon, but before your shipping cost. So yeah, this will also be available in the shop though, just for individual purchase if you wanted to pick out a foil color or anything for that. I'm obsessed. I'm probably gonna print off a bunch of these for myself just to keep for when I do plan with me's. I think it'd be a little bit easier to have this than to have like 20 sheets of different frames and whatnot, because I normally don't use like 2 of the same. Okay, so that's for 50 plus. Then for 35 plus, we have got this freebie right here, which may look familiar. We've done this one before. And you've got some icons and then some scripts. So 35 plus, and then again, the foil color will be random. And then for all orders, we have got this freebie here. This messed up and I didn't realize it until I got here. So this is supposed to be the pajamas, if you guys have seen those before. So this will be a pajama set. And then for some reason, these outlined and so did this. So I need to update this file when I get home, but just envision the pajama set here. You've got your meditate sticker here, which is the girl just kind of doing yoga surrounded by her plants, work and nap bow scripts, and then 2 more dividers, and then 2 boxes as well. And same thing, just random for foil colors. So if you were to spend, say, $50 after coupon before shipping, you will get all 3 of these. You can also request PR freebies. Yeah, so those are our freebies for the sale, and these will be available all weekend. And then for like limited, for the first 20 and 30 orders, I've only got 2 shops here. I'm waiting on Michelle's. So Michelle is fabulously planned, but then we have got a kit and a freebie here from Britton over at Beansprout Paper Co. and Elvira over at Pookie Bear Cuties. So for the first 30 orders over $20, you will get one of 3 2-page mini kits. So you could either get this one, or the one that Michelle is sending over. So the first one, let me just kind of show you guys here, is from Pookie Bear Cuties. I love her little Pookie Bear. It is so cute. It says, be happy. You've got some date covers, the boxes, the numbers. You have got trackers, some icons. And then on your second sheet, you've got some boxes, some checklists, and then some washi down at the bottom. Look how cute those bows are. So cute. So that is one of the options. The other one is foiled. This one is from Beansprout Paper Co. Look at how beautiful. So it says, bloom where you are planted. And then you've got some bow headers, heart checklist. Aspen, do you just know when I'm filming? I'm sorry for her. Date covers, some more checklist here. And then you've got boxes, some functional deco, some washi, some trackers, bill due, and boxes. So there is that one. And then Michelle will have hers. It's on the way. So that one will be here eventually. So it will be one of those 3 if your order is over 20 and if it's one of the first 30 orders placed. Again, those come in very quickly in the morning. So if you're interested in that, I would go ahead and have your cart preloaded tonight. Aspen, honey. Next, we have got a sampler from Britton, a sampler from Elvira, and then we will have one from Michelle as well. So if you're one of the first 20 orders, you will get all 3 of the samplers. And then again, you can stack all of this. So if you're one of the first 20 and your order's over 20, you'd get this plus a mini kit, plus our freebie, whatever you qualify for our freebies. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, or you can message me. But that is it. I hope you guys love this week's new releases. If you do, please just give this video a thumbs up. I will link the Ultimate Planner Sales website down below so you can check out the other shops that are participating, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.